Hey, you're back. I knew you would be, because you want to know what's going on with that chicken fodder, right? Hi there, welcome or welcome back to Safe at Homestead. My name is Elena, and I am in the process of doing an experiment sprouting lentils to make fodder for my chickens, and this is day 2. Before I show you that progress, I'm going to share with you just what I'm doing right this moment, which is trying to get some seeds started. My bean seeds are just not working out outside. I don't know why. Last year it was the same thing. I had difficulty with them. So this is what I'm going to do for the first time. I am going to try to start them in a more controlled environment. I'm going to use this burpee system that I showed you guys yesterday, and you can see that inside each space is a little coconut coir pellet. So the first thing that I need to do is add some water and let it absorb the water, and then add some seeds. So let me show you what seeds I'm going to be putting in. These are my contender seeds. I did not get any last year, or I did not have any left from last year, so I bought some more, and I'm really excited about these. These did well. After probably, I think I planted the whole seed packet, 25 of them, and nothing came up. I don't think it was the seed, but I don't really know what it was. And then I bought another packet, and then it came up. And that happened with just about every bean seed that I planted. It came up and then shriveled and died. And I just kept throwing down seeds until it worked. So, contender. Ones that I already have out there that aren't doing anything. Actually, this is the only one that's still up. It's this Royal Burgundy. It's come up. It's probably 2 inches tall right now. I have 2 of them in a 5-gallon bucket, and they seem to be doing okay. The Kantari came up, shriveled and died. The Strike did the same thing, and so did the Maxibel Haricot. They all did the same thing. So I am going to plant them right now in these little cells and see if I can start them in the greenhouse, and hopefully, you know, just have them there for a little bit, let them get some height and size to them, and then put them out. So let's get to putting the water in these little cells. These actually come up pretty quickly. Look at that. See it growing before my eyes. Ooh, that was weird. See that one moving? This one was turned on its side, so it's not coming straight up, but here we go. Oh, I see. They float up and turn on their sides like that one. It should be okay. So I'm going to do this with probably 3 rows. And then I'll come back to you when I'm putting the seeds in. Alright, so I have all my beans in here. I did not realize there was a cover to this, and on the inside there was this little paddle thingy. So I'm going to push these beans down, and I'm going to water it a little bit more. I want it to be, I did put some water inside in the reservoir. So let me show you I decided to do most of the, well, not really. I did 6 Kantari, or 6 contender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 Haricot, Maxibel Haricot, and 1 Strike, 1, 2, 3. And 1 Kantari, 1, 2, 3. So I mean 1 row is what I mean. And so I'm going to put these in. I have a good feeling about this. And I think that if I just, yeah, if I'm attentive to it, there'll be stronger bean plants. Let's see, I planted in 5-gallon buckets, 2 beans in each bucket. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 plants, or 8 seeds. So far, only half of them have come up. Actually, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, because each bucket has 2 bean seeds. Half of them came up, and then the other half didn't come up at all. And then the ones that came up, only 2 are still there, and that's the Royal Burgundy. All the other ones just shriveled up and died, the usual. All right, I'm going to water this, cover it up, and I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I'm going to show you the fodder. Okay, that is done and ready to go outside. I'm gonna think about what I want to put in the other cells, but for now, just beans. And what I wanted to show you is something that came in the mail yesterday. A new project that I'm doing. I need scissors. Oh, it says tear. Okay, I can just tear it. So, we don't have a lot of rain here. Monsoon season is not what it used to be from what I hear. Maybe in Albuquerque, not Albuquerque, maybe in Arizona, it's a bigger deal than it is here. We've only been here 3 years. This is our 3rd summer coming up, and we haven't seen tremendous monsoon season. But what I wanted to do is to make some water catchment systems, and I thought we would do one and see how that goes. Sorry about that. I was saying that we would see how it goes with the one, and then if we're successful, we would make a couple more. Did you know that you cannot buy this at Lowe's or Home Depot as a kit? You have to buy the spigot, which I think this one is a lot better quality. You have to buy this and then buy this separate. When I went to look for this at both of those stores, this part, which I don't know what they call it, it was a huge one with a little hole. And anyways, it was $17 just for this. And then you had to buy the spigot separately, and then if you needed any of this plumber's tape, you had to buy that separately. This all came together for $16. And so what we are going to do is make a water catchment system, very, very simple, with a trash can that I got from Walmart. And the purpose of that is to just have water for the garden, water for the chickens, just water that we can use. I mean, we are in the desert. Water is, it's a concern. It's a concern. And right now we are not prohibited from catching water. So we will take advantage of that as much as possible. So that is what I wanted to show you. It's a project that is coming up. So let's look at the fodder. So you will see a big difference today. Today, I don't have to take them out individually for you to see the sprouting. You can see how much sprouting is going on. Isn't that exciting? I mean, I am so excited. I am trying to think about where I am going to make room in this little RV kitchen to put 3 of these. I already have 3 of these baskets, so I want to make 3. Even though I am not finished with this one, I want to start a second one and start one every 2 or 3 days so that I will have it for my chickens. I am so excited with the progress. Okay, I am going to be back tomorrow to share with you guys what other things we're doing. Are we doing the water catchment system? What are we doing? I don't know, but I'm going to share some tidbits with you as well as the progress of this fodder. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Have a great day. I just wanted to give you a look at the Royal Burgundy. These are the only two that are left. Nothing came up there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. But all of these came up. They just didn't last. For some reason, look. Is this heat? Is it too much heat for them?